ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Samla kit kupar nong si na kasnong Kynshi Bangla kasnong kabahaba po ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District haga arpusan tarik ubana naiwing arajar arpuway ulayo ra ya kanam Lahduh haga Rynsan Ïakop Rwai jong ke Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival arajar arpuway daga bapenlim lendang ya ki arpusan ngut kinong yeshim benta daga ni jing job jong Samla kit kupar nong si ulayo khur ya ka khusnam daga song pisa ka basaupo hajar tingka Kumban shupen ken mau Samla kit kupar nong sit ubadei udkhot jong ka kinhon Rwai aroha choir ulongru Samla ubala pau bha ka sap Rwai na Eastern West Khasi Hills District but udairu Samla ubaju yo ra bet ka kardan ka meningkong nadu uba ulas dang banya shimbenta ki Rynsan Ïakop Rwai menba udang don khat wais nem karta Uniu Samla udairu balayo ra ya ka kardan ka baar ha ka voice hunt arajar khat saw but hadu menta ula job palat santli ki khusnam Lahduh hagi Rynsan Ïakop Rwai ki bala penlong hapo ka jilla but haki wei de ki Rynsan Ïakop kum ka Bharat ki khoj season 2
Don't be that way, fall apart twice a day. I just wish you could feel what you say. She'll never tell, but I know you too well. Kind of mood that you wish you could.
Alright, and finally the winner, the first prize winner of the singing competition held today goes to Mr. Kit Kupar Nongsiet. Mr. Kit Kupar Nongsiet, truly deserving, absolutely amazing talent.